Hello everyone, today we'll discuss about calcitonin. Calcitonin is calcium lowering hormone. It is secreted in response to increase in the plasma calcium level. Calcitonin is synthesized by C cells, which are also known as parafollicular cells of the thyroid gland. These cells are neural crest origin. Small amount of calcitonin is also secreted from thymus. As calcitonin is secreted from thyroid gland, it is known as thyrocalcitonin. It is a polypeptide with 32 amino acids and it has molecular weight of about 3400. Now, regulation of secretion of calcitonin. Plasma calcium concentration is the major regulator for calcitonin secretion. When plasma calcium concentration increases, calcitonin secretion increases. Calcitonin is not secreted until plasma calcium concentration reaches to 9.5 milligram percentage. You can see here. This is plasma calcium concentration and this is the level of calcitonin. So till it is 9.5 milligram percentage, no calcitonin is secreted, and with increase in the plasma calcium concentration, when it is about 10 milligram percentage, there is twofold or more increase in the rate of secretion of calcitonin. Now, feedback regulation of plasma calcitonin. Plasma calcitonin is directly proportionate to plasma calcium level. As plasma calcium level increases, you can see here, calcitonin secretion increases, and it provides feedback mechanism for regulating calcium concentration. Certain gastrointestinal hormones like gastrin, which is a potent stimulus, and other hormones like cholecystokinin, glucagon, secretin, they all stimulate calcitonin secretion, and therefore in Zollinger-Ellison syndrome as well as in pernicious anemia, when gastrin levels are elevated, they are responsible for raised plasma calcium levels because they increase calcitonin secretion. Other regulator for calcitonin secretion, they are beta agonist, dopamine and estrogen. They all stimulate calcitonin secretion. Plasma calcitonin secretion, that is regulated by cyclic AMP. Actions of calcitonin. Calcitonin decreases blood calcium level by acting on bones, kidneys and intestine. On the bones, it increases deposition by stimulating osteoblastic activity, and it decreases resorption by inhibiting osteoclastic activity. Action on the kidney, it decreases calcium reabsorption from kidney tubules and therefore calcium excretion is increased, and in intestine it decreases calcium absorption from intestine. Now, action on the bones. Actions are opposite to parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone increases bone resorption, whereas calcitonin decreases bone resorption. It has direct action on the bone. It inhibits osteoclastic activity. It decreases formation of new osteoclast and therefore it decreases number of total osteoclast. How does it act? Mechanism of action, it binds with the membrane receptors. Membrane receptors present on the osteoclast, you can see here, and decreased activity of osteoclast. Now, calcium permeability of osteoclast and osteoblast decreases, and there is active transport of calcium from bone cell to the extracellular fluid. Here this transport from, you can see active transport of calcium from bone cell to the extracellular fluid decreases. Also, it increases alkaline phosphatase synthesis from osteoblast. Now, it has two effects. One, that is immediate, and second is delayed effect. Now, immediate effect. Calcitonin inhibit active transport of calcium from bone cells into the extracellular fluid, and it does so by decreasing absorptive activity of osteoclast and osteolytic effect of the osteocytic membrane. As we have discussed, osteocytic membrane pumps calcium ions out of the bone and it has osteolytic effect. So all these are reduced by calcitonin. Delayed effects are calcitonin increase osteoblastic activity. and it decreases osteoclastic activity. All the effects of osteoclast is reduced, and the effects are detach osteoclast from the bone surface, deactivate rapidly, lose their ruffled borders, and decrease motility of osteoclast. Now, physiological role of calcitonin. In children, calcitonin play an important role in the development of skeleton. It does so by promoting calcium storage in the bones, and bone turnover is high. Another effect is it prevents postprandial hypercalcemia, because after food, blood calcium concentration increases, that results in hypercalcemia, that is prevented by calcitonin. During pregnancy and lactation, you can see here calcium demand increases in the middle of picture. When calcium demand increases, what happens? Parathyroid hormone increases resorption of calcium from bone, and this effect is prevented by calcitonin. So it protects bone from the loss. Okay, but in menopausal, after menopause, calcitonin play a role in the development of accelerated bone loss. Also, it is useful in the acute treatment of hypercalcemia as well as certain bone diseases in which decrease in the osteoclastic activity is beneficial. Calcitonin and calcitonin gene related peptides, they may have paracrine and neurotransmitter functions. Now, in adults, calcitonin effects are weak as compared to parathyroid hormone, because parathyroid hormone secretion overrides the effects of calcitonin. And second, in adult, rate of resorption and rate of bone formation, they are very less. Therefore, calcitonin has small effect on plasma calcium concentration. Now, you can see calcitonin is second line of defense in the regulation of calcium ion concentration. Both the hormones are important, parathyroid hormone as well as calcitonin, but calcitonin has second line of defense because after increase in the calcium concentration, parathyroid hormone secretion decreases and calcitonin secretion increases, and this calcitonin increases deposition of calcium ions in bones as well as other tissues. But when there is prolonged excess or prolonged deficiency of calcium ions, parathyroid hormone maintains normal plasma calcium concentration. Now, what are the effects of calcitonin on kidney? Calcitonin increases excretion of calcium, phosphate as well as sodium in the urine. It decreases formation of vitamin D because it inhibits 1-alpha hydroxylase enzyme which is required for the formation of 1,25-dihydroxycholecalciferol. Also, calcitonin decreases urinary excretion of hydroxyproline which is derived from the bone. Actions of calcitonin on digestive system. Calcitonin increases intestinal secretion of water as well as electrolytes, and it decreases gastric motility and acid secretion, and it inhibits intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphate ions. Clinical significance of calcitonin. Calcitonin is used in treatment of hypercalcemia due to vitamin D intoxication and parathyroid adenoma. Calcitonin relieves pain in the Paget's disease and restores normal bone structure. So this is all about calcitonin. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to launch something much needed for medical and paramedical undergraduate students, and here it is. It's Physiology Notes. This book attempts to come up with important questions and appropriate answers in easy way. In this book, different systems are discussed under 10 sessions, and each section is framed with different topics in the form of question and answers. It provides thorough coverage of subject and made it easy to write down answers in the exams. It contains text with diagrams, tables as well as flowcharts for easy understanding. Simplified concept made it easy to remember for the exams, and many diagrams and pictures they are added to understand the subject. Please order on this WhatsApp number to get your copy. Thank you.